Promotion is not about hard work. It's about visibility. Maaring narinig na natin to before, or maybe ikaw na-experience mo. Maaring nagsipag ka sa trabaho mo, pero dahil tahimik ka lang dun sa cubicle mo, wala silang masyadong naririnig from you. Maaring ma-overlook yun, lalo na pag mga large corporations. Kaya common na naririnig natin from other employees, or ikaw rin again, maaring na-experience mo na to, na yung mga pabibo, yung mga naririnig natin, tinatawag natin mga sip-sip, sometimes sila pa yung napopromote. Now, I am not saying na maging tamad ka at maging sip-sip ka lang. But all I am saying that visibility is important to get promotion. You may not like it, I don't like it too, but that's how the system works in your job or in this corporate world. So promotion is not about who works the hardest, it's about who's the hardest to ignore.